guys, today I found my hidden blade, and I got my swords, my costume, and my 3 assassin toys. So we're gonna start off with the hidden blade. First, let me put on my costume so I can show you how the hidden blade works. Put on the costume.
After this, that's how.
Okay. Hidden blade. Add a hidden. Okay. Then put on the assassin suit. Then put on the assassin jacket. Here's iron. There's my brother over there, the assassin thing.
Let's call him. So. Go.
I don't know how to do this. Don't do that. How do I do this? Like this. Okay. Okay. Now I got that. Now I put my arm through. Got this right here. Put the hidden blade in. Time for the hidden blade to put in. How to put in the hidden blade? Hard. It's not that hard. Yeah. This is the hidden blade inside the assassin suit. It's a hidden blade, like, oh. No one can see it. That's why they call it a hidden blade. That's why they call it hidden, because it's a blade what's hidden inside of here. So we're gonna keep that inside.
You okay?
Yeah. You're lying! It's crazy. Okay. No. Stop. Get out. Okay, now I'm going to show you the assassin toys. First you gotta start off with the Jamaican one. The Jamaican. Fix his head. His hood can come off. Twist his head. Got good twisting. It comes on easily. He comes with guns, but I don't have them right now. And he can take off this, but this won't let it take it off all the way. So I keep it like on. So let's go to the next one. Next one is like a, I don't know his language though. I don't know his language. But I know he's an assassin because he got the hood like Assassin's Creed, and on the box it said Assassin's Creed. And if y'all didn't see me talk about them in the box, go to that one and watch me show you into the box. So and now his sword can come off. Got to be a little sword from the Assassin game. I got the Assassin's Creed game. Mommy! She turned off the light. That was funny. And I like his he got he got a light he got a light face and a nose. His arms can't move all the way up, but it can do elbow. It can twist, not all the way. And his legs can twist. His foot can twist. And his arm can twist. His hood can't come off, but his hip can twist, not all the way, but all the way, but it'll make it look like crazy. So you're gonna want to keep it right here. It has a thing to put the sword in. So just put the sword in. So just put it in. Put it in. See, it's in. And now he looks like a real Assassin's Creed. So let's go to the new one, from the newer Black Flag guy in his armor. This guy. This is I forgot his name, but I know I have Black Flag 2 and Assassin's Creed Unity. And I'm gonna get all the games, all the Assassin's Creed games, and all of the toys. Only if I ask Santa at my church, because we gotta write a letter what do we want for Christmas. So I'm gonna ask him for that, and I'm gonna make a video of that one. So don't forget to watch that one. And he comes with 4 guns, 2 hidden blades, and his feet moves. His legs doesn't move that much. It can twist. His hands can twist. His other hand can twist. And he comes with a sword, a powerful sword. And has those little sides where you can put the sword at. And his hidden blade and he has 2 hidden blades. 1, 2. If y'all can't see it good. Is botanic sword, and he has a red thing around his waist, and his head can twist all the way, and you can make pauses with him like this. Okay, like this, like that. That's a good pause for him, and he looks nice in the paws. Like he got a hidden blade and his sword. Like you want to show him, and I just like this character. If y'all see all the Assassin's Creed toys at Toys R Us, go buy them and make videos. And if you're a big fan of Assassin's Creed, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to watch that video. Have a nice day. Reverse, yeah.